Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to compare two smartphone cameras, that is Micromax in1 versus Realme 8i. If you are new to this channel, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. So let's get started. Coming to first image, on the left hand we have Micromax and on the right hand we have Realme. Micromax color is on the cool side, whereas Realme is on warmer side. Micromax seems over sharpened, whereas Realme was balanced. In this image, subject is exposed to the direct sunlight, so both phones are failed to manage exposure, but details are slightly better in Micromax. In this image, both looking similar, but there is a difference in detail. As you can see, Micromax capturing more details than Realme. Coming to next image, this is image of cow in high resolution mode, that is 48 megapixel from Micromax and 50 megapixel from Realme 8i. You can see Micromax again did over sharpen here. Size of image is 13.8 MB, but black color is perfect on Realme 8i. Size of Realme 8i is 16.8 MB. This is again an image from high resolution mode, and in this image Realme did great job. It managed exposure correctly, and also details are better in Realme 8i. These are some selfie shots from both of these smartphones. In Micromax there is 8 megapixel selfie camera, and in Realme there is 16 megapixel selfie camera. Still Micromax has more details and better skin tones than Realme, but one problem is there, that is background exposure. Micromax 8 megapixel selfie camera performs better as compared to 16 megapixel camera of Realme. You can see details in the image. This is macro camera, and Micromax can go much closer to the object than Realme, and you can see details. You can see difference in the details, and Micromax is simply winner here. In this image you can see Micromax over sharpens the image, but it managed to keep colors close to natural. You can see white color of flower, it was natural in Micromax. Coming to human portraits, there is a difference in color tones and facial details. There are some smudge edges in Realme. In this image there is a difference between facial tones and facial color. This was a very tricky situation where you can see sunlight was directly falling on the face. Here Realme did great job. This is one of my favorite image. You can see difference in facial tones. Realme is beautifying image without actually turning on beauty mode. You can see difference in facial details and facial tones, but there is one issue as usual in Micromax, that it overexposed the background. You can see the dynamic range of Micromax and Realme. Again, this is another portrait shot where Realme 8i's image is very eye-catchy. I like Realme 8i's image here, but color is over saturated in Realme 8i. Original color of t-shirt is as shown in Micromax In1. Coming to the conclusion part, Micromax In1 was clear winner in selfie camera. It has best 8 megapixel camera available at that price point. Even it captures better selfies than my Realme X7 Max 16 megapixel camera. In rear camera both performs equally good, but Realme 8i was more stable. Most of the times you will get perfect photo in one click, whereas you might need to capture again in Micromax. Micromax gives close to natural images, whereas Realme images were saturated. Micromax need to fix overexposure issue, whereas Realme needs to work on the skin tones. Both of these issues can be fixed through software updates. I have also uploaded a speed test comparison of these smartphones as well. If you haven't watched it, do check out. Link is given in the description. So that's it for today guys. Thank you.